Hi everyone, it's Garrett from Finply. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Revenue app. First, you got to head on over to finplyapp.com, and this is our homepage. Then you'll just go up to the top, go to Apps, click on the drop-down box, and click on Revenue App Lite. We'll go over the Lite version today. Then what you'll see is the Finply will load. It's embedded within the page, and we're just going to start the demo here. So we'll click Demo, click Calculate, and you'll see an initial set of assumptions that populate here in the box. And what we do is, in how we really set up Finply to work is we break down your business into segments. This could be products, this could be different service lines, this could be different divisions of the company. In this particular case, what we have it segmented by is geographical location. So you see Freetown, you see Cape Town, Columbus. These are all different towns. In the next column, you have opportunity. And from opportunity all the way to unit sales, they all have an interaction with each other. So opportunity is your total opportunity or market size that your business can actually be a part of. And the market share is how much of that opportunity is your business likely to seize and actually capture from a business standpoint. And to get unit sales, you simply just do some multiplication, multiply the opportunity times market share to get unit sales. Next, we have price, and everyone always talks about price. This is actually what you charge your customers. And you want to make sure that your price is higher than your cost, but for this purposes, what we're trying to do is calculate our business's revenue. So for this instance, what we're going to do is we're going to put the price of a particular unit that we sell, whether it's baseball hats or oil changes or any other piece of kind of information or products that you sell to your customers. And then what we do is we do additional arithmetic here by multiplying unit sales times price to get what your business will make on a monthly revenue basis. So as you can see, 106 times 1 equals 106. 8 times 10 equals 80. Pretty simple. Then we have start month. So for this particular example, we have Freetown. They are going to start operating and selling to customers immediately, right in month 1. But Columbus, on the other hand, isn't going to be ready to start servicing customers until month 4. So what we do is we really want to annotate that here, because once we get to the actual graphs, we'll see how this affects our total revenue. Then in the last column, we have compound monthly growth rate. This is just a fancy term to mean, hey, every month, how much more units do we plan on selling than the previous month? So in month 1, we'll sell 106. In month 2, it'll be 20% more than 106. Pretty simple. Now, one last thing before we dive into the chart. We have what's called a price multiple. And what this allows you to do is to adjust your prices across the board based on a percentage. So right now it's set at the default value of 1, and everything's basically your base scenario. Now say one of your investors said, hey, can you charge a little bit less for this product? Then you could say, sure, let's see what the numbers will look like. So you take this, you slide it down to, let's say 0.9. That'll be a 10% discount. And hit recalculate here, and you can see that the price drops by 10%. So we'll move it back up to 1, and we'll go ahead and play in the app. Next, you want to hit on revenue projection, and you could see right away that we have a table built that will allow you to see your segment, the compound monthly growth rate, and then every month that you choose to see, as well as a great looking graph that's down here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and add some of our segments to this graph. You can add them all, but for the purposes of this, what we'll do is we'll just add a couple. So as you can see, everything builds up dynamically. As you play with the inputs on the left-hand side, the output changes. That's really the beauty of Finply. It allows you to go in here and really manipulate your data however you need it, to run scenarios, to make adjustments, to just kind of stress test your revenue assumptions. And say, for instance, instead of month 1, say we wanted to just see from month 7 to 12. We could do that. And all we have to do is move the slider from 1 to 7, and you could see the last 6 months of the year pop up seamlessly. And you could go ahead and save this if you wanted to, just by right-clicking and hitting download image. Super simple. Or you can, on a Mac, you can hit Shift Command 4 and take a screenshot of it, just like this. Pretty simple. Let's actually move everything back to the default settings, and let's go down here to compound monthly growth rate. This is great. This allows you to change the compound monthly growth rate for all of your business segments at the same time. So let's say we're gonna be double what we initially anticipated. We can go there and easily change it, and Finply automatically adjusts on the y-axis to fit what your revenues are going to be. And finally, what good is a graph without a great title? So we could add a title, quick and easy. Let's call it John Doe Company Incorporated. And that's it, folks. This is Finply Lite. We'd love to hear your suggestions about new features. We're always trying to make improvements, and we're trying to get your feedback any way possible. So thank you very much.